Hello and welcome to Zee Business. I am Bharat Upadhyay and today we are going to unbox the latest smartwatch from OnePlus. Yes, we are talking about OnePlus Nord Watch. So without any delay, let's start. Let's look at the retail box of the OnePlus Nord Watch. At the back side of the box, you can see the basic details of the watch, the price and everything. It's not time to open the box, and as you can see, it's get moving written on the front, and it's time to open the watch. Here you can see the brand new Nord Watch. It looks premium, beautiful in the budget segment, and it can definitely beat Realme and Redmi brands in this segment. Let's start with pricing and color options first. The newly launched Nord Watch is priced at Rs 4,999 in India, and it comes in two color options, deep blue and midnight black. For connectivity, you need to download the customized mobile app called nHealth. Let's talk about some important features of OnePlus Nord Watch. It has 105 fitness modes. It can also monitor stress levels and oxygen saturation, which also known as SpO2. In fact, for women, the watch helps predict monthly menstrual cycle with a built-in algorithm. In terms of battery performance, the OnePlus Nord Watch comes with long-lasting 230 mAh battery that lasts up to 10 days without any problem. Made from waterproof and weatherproof material, the OnePlus Nord Watch comes with 1.78-inch AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. The display looks bright and colorful. The overall experience looks good so far. This was the first look and unboxing video of the newly launched OnePlus Nord Watch. We will come out with the full review very soon. For all things tech, keep watching Zee Business.
शानदार और बेदाग सफर, मार्केट का नंबर 1 लीडर, भरोसे का सबसे बड़ा नाम, लेकिन अंदाज बिल्कुल आम, जिसके तजुर्बे और समझ को करें दिग्गज भी सलाम। आसान भाषा में सिर्फ मुनाफे की बात, तभी तो देश चलता है जी बिजनेस के साथ। 16 साल से आपका भरोसेमंद बिजनेस न्यूज चैनल जी बिजनेस, आपका फायदा।
क्या आप शेयर बाजार में ट्रेडिंग करते हैं ना? तो रोज सुबह 7:30 बजे जी बिजनेस पर आपको वो सब कुछ मिलेगा जो ट्रेडर्स को हर रोज चाहिए। कैश, फ्यूचर्स, ऑप्शन, इंडेक्स, टेक्निकल पिक्स, खबरों के दम पर शेयर, और इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए कुछ नहीं। अरे है ना, एक बेहतरीन इन्वेस्टमेंट पिक भी और शानदार फंडा पिक भी, यानी कि ट्रेडिंग का डेली डोज हर रोज सुबह 7:30 बजे लीजिए जी बिजनेस पर, सिर्फ ट्रेडर्स डायरी में।